have a hard time sleeping, so I'm always interested in the sleep series. I utilize those the most. But I also enjoy just midday. I have 2 kids at home. I'm a stay-at-home mom. And so midday, when I send them for their rest time, if I just have 5 or 10 minutes to do that, then I try to hook up and tap. I did my 2 taps yesterday. I'm here at the conference, this Dave Asprey show for the first time. I travel with it. I have a really hard time sleeping, and I did not sleep well the night before. And so yesterday on my break, I went to the room, I did 2 taps, and I actually fell asleep and took a nap. So I was really happy I had it, and when I woke up, my BrainTap device was still on, and I felt just rested and ready to tackle the rest of the day. So on my break today, I'm gonna go back and do the same thing. Can't wait. So if I'm out with the kids or they're playing at the playground and I'm thinking, you know, what am I gonna do later on? Well, one of the things I'm gonna do when I get home at some point is BrainTap. And so you always have your phone, people always have their phone. I can just quickly scroll and pick and save what I'm gonna use later on, and it already just like sets my mind. You know, I look forward to getting to go home to do that. So I enjoy it. I hope everybody gets to stop and see what it's all about, because I think they're missing out if they don't.